guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, I thought I would take you guys along with me throughout my day. This video is sponsored by Squarespace, so make sure you guys stay to the end of this video if you're an entrepreneur and needing a website of your own. I have so much on my to-do list that I have to get done, so I'm using this day to do it. The first thing though is my nails. Now my nails is something that I never had to do myself, so this is an extra step. You know, as a creator, I already do my hair, I already have to do my makeup. Now my nails, oh my god. So I'm about to try to fix my nails. I'm doing a concept shoot later on today, and then I also have a few videos that I have to record. So right now I'm about to get ready, go into hair and makeup. Hair and makeup kind of takes me probably an hour depending on my hairstyle. Now I can do my makeup fast, but it's the hair. I did contact one of my favorite stylists. I am having some custom units made and shipped off to me within a few days, so I will have new looks. But yeah, first thing, let's fix these nails because that's something that I'm gonna have to fix on my own. I think out of the week I do my makeup 5 days out of the week. It just depends on how heavy my content load is. Now as far as my natural beauty, I do walk around the house with no makeup on. I do go out the house with no makeup on, but for my content days I do my makeup, just that extra polished glam look. So I am going ahead into makeup so that I look really cute when I'm hopping on camera. Like this fill-in needs to be done really bad. So I got some things to try to figure out how I'm going to do my nails. So this is a set. I needed to have the drill to file down my nails, and then I also needed to be able to dry my nail polish. So it comes with all the different screws on here. And then Kiss also had the salon dip color system. And this is when you dip your finger in, you put the gel powder on, you put the gel on, and then you dip your finger in, and it's supposed to be on top. I don't know. And then my backup is press-on nails. So Kiss does have these nude press-on nails. I did get 3 Essie nail polishes. Now I normally get gel polish, so maybe in 2 weeks I can try doing gel polish, but I got regular polish this time. We're gonna baby step our way up to being a nail tech, okay? So I got white Essie polish in Blanc. I love like a baby pink color, so I got this in Fiji. And then nude, I love a nude, and this is Came Out to Clay. So these are my go-to nail polishes. The biggest thing is I was like, should I start from blank and soak off my nails, or should I just try to do a fill-in? I think I'm gonna try to do the fill-in first, and we're gonna baby step. I think I'm gonna try to do my fill-in. I think I'm going to try to do my fill-in. All right guys, I'm trying to get my little office together. I don't think I like this in here. Okay. I need to figure out how to decorate this. These were supposed to come in a gold base. This is all my new workout gear. Here we go. Let's go. With the next set, it is a jogger set. I like my workout stuff to double as, you know, cute stuff to actually wear too. Alright guys, when I finish filming, I like to upload my footage to Final Cut Pro, and while it loads, I start working on thumbnails. These are thumbnails you guys have already saw of videos that have already went up, videos that I'm working on, and my beauty channel thumbnails. I've been working on a lot of content over there. Like I recorded this try on workout haul of new workout 2-piece sets that are super freaking cute. You should go to my beauty channel and check out that video. I have a lot of other content going live on that channel, so you guys should stay tuned. So I just work on my thumbnails, but it's Jaden's birthday today, so I'm taking a break and we are about to cut her birthday cake. To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Jaden, happy birthday to you, happy, happy, happy. Did you make your wish? Make your wish. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to happy birthday. Right, let's try to get our little station ready. This is what we have so far. I was using nail polish and needed acetone. Although nail polish has acetone in it, it's not acetone. So you need to get the acetone because this is going to get it off. I've been sitting here for forever. I'm over it. And yeah, I used the whole box. Back in the bowl, warm water, acetone, and it's warm. I could put both hands in, but I'm trying to use I'm not trying to be handicapped to just one thing. I want to use my phone. I got my phone on my stand. I'm about to play my music. I gotta keep my niggas real close. Alright, y'all. 2 hours in and I only have one nail that is really off. This is crazy. This is taking forever. Why would I ever do acrylic on my nails if I can't even get them off? Oh my god, this takes so long. This is a step that I definitely didn't have to worry about. I thought I was going to do my own acrylic nails. I couldn't even get them off completely. So I'm about to go to Sally's Beauty Supply store. They have curbside pickup here in North Carolina where you can call, place your order, and they'll bring out what you need. So I need some acetone to soak my nails some more. I also have 2 business calls that I have to hop on today. And additionally to that, this room that I'm getting together, a full-length mirror and rug came. So I want to go out there and see the placement in the room. So I think that's what we're going to do first. Let's go get the packages from outside. Oh, and yeah, the full-length mirror. So let's go outside and get them. All right, here are the more packages. This is the full-length mirror and then the rug. So let's see. Well, I feel like I should probably cut all of this off. I haven't showed you guys this area. Harlem is sitting there because he's ready to film his YouTube video. I was actually trying to see if I wanted this area to have some greenery. I did order a fake plant and I didn't like it. It was too small. So I put that one in here for now. But this is how it's looking. I didn't know what wall art or if I wanted to get a beauty mirror or whatever I wanted right there. And then over here is a clothing rack. So I don't have hangers for the clothing rack yet. I wanted some like gold hangers, but now I'm like, maybe like the light pastel, the light pink color would be really cute. I know I didn't want black, but then I was like, I wanted a tree similar to how Talia is right there, but probably a fake one. I couldn't find one. So that's my that's the new carpet feel. So white carpet, love it. If I wanted to move my desk, I could take photos. Now I have to move the desk back. Harlem, I gotta move the desk back. You can't be acting crazy. Alright, I wasted enough time looking on the internet for paintings and just artwork to go behind there. I haven't ate today. I'm about to eat some soup. It's 3 o'clock now, and let's get in the car and go get this nail polish remover so the nails can look okay. Yeah. Alright guys, I have fruit and soup for lunch. I'm taking a mini lunch break and then I have to leave the house because these nails gotta get done. And then I have to pick up some flowers from the store. I have a sponsored post that I have to do, and I already came up with the concept that I want to shoot. I'm so excited to get back to taking photos because that's something that I really enjoy. And I miss posting on Instagram, so I can't wait for, you know, all my setup to be completed and I can get back to taking photos and stuff. My soup is hot, so I'm just talking to you guys for a sec, but whenever I'm about to do a concept shoot, it's like so fun to me to execute an idea that I have and then have it come out how I want it in photo form. So I have a concept shoot for a brand and I have to pick up the flowers while I'm out too. So pick up the stuff for nails, pick up the stuff for this this content that I have to create, which I'm excited. I don't know how it's gonna come out because my mom will be the one taking the photo, so I have to make sure that everything is set up how it needs to be set so that we can get the shot. It has to be submitted today, so I don't have a choice but to get this done. So I'm gonna see what flowers are out at the grocery store or something. I was gonna do pink or yellow. So developing that idea fully out, I'll think about that more while I'm eating. I really don't know how I should decorate this table. I was thinking about getting an Impressions vanity with the light bulbs, the glam beauty type of look, and then just having all my makeup brushes in cute little stands. So like 4 or 5 with all my makeup brushes in them. I think that would be cute. I want it simple and minimalistic. I definitely know that. So I don't want something with too much going on. And I think I might have backed out of like wanting flowers. Well, not flowers, but like a green plant. I want white things, so I have to come up with that idea. All right, guys, I finally made it in the car because I can procrastinate sometimes. So we are headed to Sally's Beauty Supply Store. After the nails, I need to prepare to do this concept shoot. So that sounds like a plan. My Wi-Fi isn't working. Yay, I made it back. I did get flowers from Trader Joe's. Look, Harlem. Look at mommy's flowers. So I got some pink ones and I got some yellow ones for 2 different shots. Fun fact, I love flowers. Like getting new flowers every week to be in a vase is something I really enjoy. So I was in Trader Joe's like, oh, flowers. I didn't know which ones to get, but roses are my favorite. So I got pink and yellow. Alright guys, I'm touching up my makeup for the day. I put another layer of makeup on because when I do photos, I like to do like an extra glam type of look up. And I have the bath running. I'm going to be putting petals over the bathtub. Let's turn this off right now. Petals over the bathtub, the flowers that I got, and making it cute because I need to get some type of bathroom shot. So when coming up with a concept for a shoot, you just have to really think about your ideas and what you have to work with. So right now I have this bathroom to work with and I was just like, what would be the best way to make this bathroom cute? I kind of will play with stuff and do whatever until I really like the shot and it's really good. The last thing I have to do is some IG stories. So let me go ahead and get this before my nail completely breaks. And I'll be right back after I'm finished with the shoot. Oh my god, guys. Okay, it is 1:40 in the morning. I'm going to set my alarm to wake up at 8 in the morning because I didn't finish editing and I need to look over the photos that I did take just right now. I did want to pop in here and also say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know what Squarespace is a platform that allows you to launch your own website. So if you've been interested in coming out with your own website that's easy to use and for you to be able to work the back end, I recommend Squarespace. I need to do a complete rebranding. I have been discussing with graphic designers and everything about a complete rebranding. So I will be redoing my website. I've just been overall thinking about how I want it to look. But Squarespace is a platform that allows you to pick from templates that are already made. You can pop in your colors, pop in your graphics, pop in your photos, change up the text, and bam, you have a website. If you are wanting to launch something right now, I recommend Squarespace. You can go to www.squarespace.com/Jayla to get a free trial and 10% off your first purchase. So head over to Squarespace if you need a website. I'm going to call this my day and end this video here. Your girl is tired. I am happy about my nails. I'm sad about this one breaking, but my nails overall look super cute. This is this hand. Yay! My nails are done. My nails are done. It'll look really cute in the photo. So I have editing and stuff to do. Sometimes editing is really tedious and it takes time. So as you guys can see, this stuff takes time. But I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, and I'm gonna get some sleep. Bye guys.